SEO. You can make $1,000 in a day with this hack. What is SEO? SEO is the abbreviation for search engine optimization. In basic terms, it refers to the process of upgrading your website in order to boost its exposure when consumers use Google, Bing, and other search engines to look for goods or services linked to your business. The higher your page's exposure and search results, the more likely you are to grab interest and attract new and existing clients to your company. Before moving further to the video, I want to welcome all of you to Money Masters and for these digital marketing videos. Get connected to Money Masters to gain massive knowledge regarding digital markets. Okay, back to the video. Bots are used by search engines like Google and Bing to crawl the web, moving from site to site, collecting information about those sites, and indexing them. Consider the index to be a big bookstore where a keeper can pull up a book or a web page to assist you in finding worth striving for. Then, using hundreds of coefficients obtained or signals, algorithms examine sites in the index to decide the order in which they should show in the search results for a given query. The director, in our university analogy, has read every book in the library and can tell you which one will provide the answers to your queries. How much money do you think you'll be able to make? An SEO specialist might earn anywhere from $50,000 to $80,000 per year, according to Indeed. Based on my personal experience, 2 to 3 years of experience equals $60,000 to $80,000 per year. 4 to 6 years of experience equals $70,000 to $120,000 per year. 6 to 20 years of experience equals $150,000 to $200,000 per year. According to the organization, you can potentially make $250,000 plus as an executive. Here are some ways to make money from SEO almost immediately. Number 1. Find or make a company website that meets key requirements. If you want to generate revenue in the SEO sector in 2021, your first move should be to either buy or start a new business or website that meets several crucial requirements or adapt an existing website to meet those criteria. Number 2. Freelance sites. You may also take your service from step 1 a step further by listing it on freelance sites like Upwork, Guru, and others. In summary, for the average individual also in need of extra cash, this is one of the finest ways to generate money on the internet. Many firms use these platforms in search of SEO techniques, and you can often get hired right away. On sites such as Fiverr, people are making a mint by offering SEO services. There's also a lot of garbage on these sites, so if you can provide a high-quality solution that sticks out, you will get customers and might be earning profit online right now. This is especially effective if you specialize in something specific, blogger marketing, for example, or buzz marketing or PBNs. You would be shocked how many individuals require these services and are willing to pay a vendor to provide them. Number 3. Clients from town. There are undoubtedly dozens, if not hundreds, of local companies in your area that require your services, and the majority of them are unaware of it. Local SEO is often far easier than worldwide SEO, which is most likely what you're doing or attempting to do for yourself right now. Entrepreneurs almost never know how to perform SEO, and in many cases they have no idea what it is. Yet, almost all of them can profit from it. Talk to several local businesses owners and offer them your SEO services on a monthly basis. Not all of them will engage you, but some will, and you will be able to make a good living on the front end while operating on your own sites for brief residual revenue. Number 4. SEO consulting and training. Due to the increasing price of SEO services for online marketing and this profession's revenue, many people are attempting to learn it, and they are willing to pay big bucks to do so. As per this material, you can earn a fortune by educating individuals who want to learn SEO. On the other hand, you can easily earn a lot of money by producing and publishing videos in the form of complete SEO training. Number 5. Launch revving videos. Doing video evaluations of things that are launching right now will help you generate some rapid associate sales. See what digital marketing items are now debuting on a site like Munchai, then perform a YouTube video review of them. These films have a tendency to rank highly fast, especially if you give them a boost with your SEO talents. And to stay there for a long time, you can practically make money today with this strategy if you time it correctly. That's all there is to it. There are a few extremely good ways to generate money right now with your SEO talents. You won't get rich doing any of these overnight, but you will over time. And they can be a terrific way to supplement your income while you establish your internet business empire. Number 6. Clients' hourly consulting fees should be collected. Before forming an agency, most SEOs begin by consulting. It's a straightforward connection with a client in which you supply your SEO expertise and talents in exchange for a set hourly charge. A variety of factors influence the hourly rate: your proven record and credibility, years of professional experience and accomplishments, client requirements and work plan. Number 7. Network marketing. If you're an SEO expert, you can make a lot of money through affiliate marketing. You might be asking what online advertising is, which we will explain in the next section. Simply, you create a website, sell items through it, and profit from the sales. By having a large number of visits to your site, you may improve the ranking of your website and make more cash if you have enough proficiency in the subject of SEO. Being ranked high on the Google results page is the key to success in this type of system. If your website has high search engine rankings, a large number of customers will visit it on a daily basis and purchase things from it, resulting in a large profit. Number 8. Organize lectures. Content is what drives SEO. If you can identify yourself as an expert, people will gladly pay for it. One man hosted seminars all over Europe, which was a huge success. Recruiting people to work from home generating handsome income, on the other hand, proved difficult as he has to reach out to a group of people who have the expertise of over 10 years. It won't be easy for you if you're just getting started, but highly recommend gathering a group of local specialists. As your credibility grows, you can go out on your own and host them on a regular basis. Number 9. Offer SEO professional services for sale. SEO copywriting jobs can be found through content creation marketing services as well as approaching larger companies immediately or a mix of the two. The tough issue about promoting yourself as an SEO writer is that you're not promoting yourself as everything else by definition. For example, a subject matter expert. SEO writing that appears to be SEO content does not do well in Google's ever-improving algorithms. As a result, we are seeing an increase in skepticism toward content created solely to manipulate the system. The idea is to market yourself as either a specialty writer with advanced SEO skills or as an SEO author who writes for individuals first, browsers second. Number 10. Microservices are for sale. A microservice, in my opinion, is a subset of SEO. Consider the following scenario. Searching for keywords, creating connections, technical SEO firms are always short-staffed and overworked. As a result, we are always on the lookout for dependable contractors to assist with the workload. You have got yourself a lovely little company if you can design a procedure to deliver a small SEO company at scale. You can make money in a variety of ways, reaching out to agencies via cold email on Fiverr and Upwork, or other freelancer platforms. Number 11. Improve site speed. Currently, one of the most critical factors is the speed of a website. An SEO specialist should conduct basic methods to raise the blog's pace so that it will be observed by people and eventually Google. The customization of web pictures, which a professional SEO consultant has knowledge of, is one of the elements that has a big impact on enhancing the web's speed. The loading speed of a website can be increased by optimizing all of its elements, which aids in the creation of a great user experience. There are other techniques to reach this goal besides optimizing photos, and SEO specialists must do them all at the same time to be successful. Number 12. Get a job at a marketing firm. I understand you didn't come here for this, but bear with me. Working in this atmosphere helps to develop incredibly useful skills such as stats, tech SEO, and how to create customer presence, to name a few. These were some of the most common earning ways from SEO. So do subscribe to the Money Masters and press the bell icon to get instant updates from us. See you with another great video. Until then.